Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will learn about the code runner extension in Visual Studio Code. So first we will go to this extension tab, and now here we will search for code runner. This is the runner extension, so I'll click on this, and now I'll click on this install button. Now it is installing. So now the extension is installed. So if I close this, and if I show you the usage of this extension, so it is right here. Usage: to run code, use shortcut Control Alt N, and to stop the running code, Control Alt M. So now close this extension, and I'll close this extensions tab, and now I'll click here and I'll use the shortcut Control Alt N to run the code, and you can see it is running the code. Now this first line, enter a number, is printed here. Now we will stop the code, and as you can see here, a stop button also appear here. Now I'll use Control Alt M, and you can see that the code is stopped except with code 1. There is another way to run the code. If you press F1, so now you can see here we have different functions here. So now if I write here run code and now hit enter, now you can see again the code is running, and enter a number is appeared. Now if I again click F1, and now if I write stop code run, as you can see it here, if I select this, now the code is stopped. So in this way you can use code runner to run code easily and stop the running code easily. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment.